Welcome to another video. Imagine walking through the beautiful white European style streets, where you can find elegant plazas, outdoor cafes, luxury apartments, and even a giant marble sculpture rising from the ground. Now imagine that the entire city was built just in the last decade. And you wouldn't believe it, but it's located inside Guatemala City. That's right, welcome to Ciudad Cayala. Come and see it with us. Vámonos! This is one of the most unique and surprising places in Central America. In this video, I'll show you the story behind the modern city built from scratch, why it feels like a city inside another city, the giant sculpture emerging from the ground, restaurants, shopping, movie theaters, and things to do, extreme sports and fun activities, how much apartments cost here, and why many travelers say Cayala is the safest and most beautiful area in Guatemala City. To understand Cayala, you need to know something surprising. This place didn't exist a few decades ago. The land in this area of Guatemala City was first acquired in 1920, but the major development didn't begin until the late 20th century. Then, in 2003, a master plan was created to build a completely new type of neighborhood. The project was designed with the help of famous urban planner Leon Cruyere, and the goal was to create a walkable, human-centered city where people could live, work, shop, eat, and relax all in one place. The first phase opened in 2011, and since then Cayala has continued expanding into a full mixed-use community. And many consider this the Beverly Hills of Guatemala, with more than 260 shops, 36 restaurants, gyms, medical clinics, offices, and 7 movie theaters, and more than 3,600 parking spaces for visitors. And what makes Cayala so fascinating is that it was designed to look like a historic European city, even though it's completely modern. And let me tell you guys, it feels like a city inside Guatemala City. Even though it's inside Guatemala City, Cayala feels like a totally different world. The architecture looks like something from Spain or Italy. White buildings, stone plazas, fountains, outdoor cafes, white pedestrian streets. It might look a little bit like the outlets from the United States, but this isn't just a shopping mall. It's actually a fully functioning city district, because it has apartments, offices, schools, restaurants, nightlife, gyms, parks, and entertainment. Everything is designed so people can walk everywhere instead of driving, which many people here in Guatemala City will see it as another luxury item because traffic can get pretty hectic. And in fact, Cayala is often described as a 15-minute city where everything you need is just a short walk away. Serious, you can find everything in here. And one of the most famous landmarks in Cayala is something you probably didn't expect: a giant man emerging from the ground. The sculpture is called Amanecer, El Gigante de Cayala. This massive marble sculpture was created by Guatemalan artist Walter Peter Brenner. It was inaugurated in 2014 and it's the largest curved sculpture in Guatemala City. The giant is about 18 meters long and 3 meters high, carved from the tones of Guatemala marble. The sculpture shows a man emerging from the earth holding a key. And the idea comes from the story where children discover virtues like curiosity and courage, which awaken the giant who holds the key to happiness. And today is one of the most photographed spots in Cayala. And now let's talk about restaurants, cafes, and nightlife. One of the biggest reasons people visit Cayala is the food. There are dozens of restaurants and cafes, including steakhouses, sushi restaurants, Italian, dessert cafes, and rooftop bars. At night, the entire city lights up with music, restaurants, and people walking through the plazas. You can have dinner, grab drinks, watch street performers, and enjoy the atmosphere. It's easily one of the best nightlife in the area in Guatemala City. So if you're one of those travelers that is obsessed with safety, this is the best you can do. There is nothing else like Ciudad Cayala. It is probably a safer city than the city you come from. So all you have to worry about is about finding a place to relax, grab your best coffee, because you're in Guatemala and in Cayala, so you will find a lot of places where you can buy your coffee, tu panito, which is the delicious sweet bread that there is here in Guatemala, or find your best wine. There's something for everyone. And so you don't miss your cafecito top from Starbucks, there's always one in here. Something about the coffee here in Guatemala that tastes way better. And now, if you love shopping, Cayala is basically a paradise. There are more than 260 shops, including fashion boutiques, international brands, souvenir shops, electronics, and jewelry stores. And there is also multiple movie theaters, making it one of the main entertainment hubs of the city. Because of the design of the streets, shopping here feels more like a walking through a European town, rather than a traditional mall. And of course, it's Guatemala, so the place right in the heart of the city, you'll find an impressive church called Santa Maria Reina de la Familia, The church sits above the main plaza and it was designed to be a visual centerpiece of the community. Its massive dome and bell tower can be seen from all around Cayala, giving the entire city a classical European skyline. And the inside is absolutely stunning. And of course, the city has to have something for the kids and for the adventurers. Cayala offers some fun activities including zipline canopy, which is one of the longest urban canopy zipline circuits in Guatemala City, with routes over 200 meters long. And for sports and fitness, you'll find motor gyms, running pads, cycling areas, and sport courts. And you also have Cayalan, a cliff place area. There are dedicated playgrounds and interactive areas where kids can run, climb, and play safely. There are fun roller coasters, especially made for kids, and a train that goes around the area, giving the little ones a tour of the place. There's also a track for mini go-karts, where the kids can enjoy going around cycling and race each other like Mario Kart. Seriously, Cayala has everything inside this small little city. And like we said before, Cayala isn't just for visitors. There are thousands of people that actually live here. The district has more than 1,900 residential units, including luxury apartments and condos. And of course, they're not that cheap. It can range from roughly 200,000 to over $1 million US, depending on the size and location. But they are amazing. And many buildings include rooftop terraces, pools, gyms, private security, and underground parking. And if you're wondering if you can stay here when you travel, yes, for travelers, there are also Airbnb apartments available and luxury hotels, meaning you can stay right inside Cayala and walk everywhere. And this is why many digital nomads and tourists choose this area when visiting Guatemala City. And for more restaurants with a little touch of Guatemala, you can come to Cayibel Gastronomic Market. And the word Cayibel comes from the Mayan language Cachical, and it means market. And you can also find some souvenirs here, all inside Cayala City. You can find all kinds of restaurants here, Mexican, Italian, Asian, and all in one place. And there's also this bus that was converted into a restaurant, kind of bar. Check it out, it's pretty cool. You can order your favorite drink or just come and sit and relax and talk to the bartender. They also have live music and sometimes live entertainment. The place is designed so you can travel the world through food and snacks, which are very delicious. You can also find some of the best ice creams around, and this little girl can tell you all about it, because she's about to try one of the delicious ice creams. So if you are visiting Guatemala and want to know why travelers visit Cayala, it's because it offers something unique. In one place, you get beautiful architecture, great restaurants, shopping and nightlife, entertainment and activities, and one of the most walkable areas in the country. And all of this sits just minutes from the rest of Guatemala City. For many visitors, Cayala feels like a safe, modern getaway to explore Guatemala. I mean, if this is the type of trip you like and you like a place to relax and feel safe, this Cayala City is the place to be. So if you are planning a trip to Guatemala, we totally recommend this place. Don't just visit the famous destinations like Antigua, Guatemala, or Lake Atitlan. Take a day to explore Ciudad Cayalá. It's totally worth it because this might be the most surprising city in Central America. If all this info is great information for your next travel to Guatemala, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. And by doing that, you will be helping our channel tremendously, and also helping others find our videos. And you'll be an important piece of our goal to our first 10,000 subscribers. And don't forget to follow us for more great adventures in Guatemala. Click on this link and it will take you to another beautiful place in Guatemala. Vamos!
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Josh Bros, we out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.